Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for being here. Today we are once again welcoming beautiful Ariana, who you've maybe been speaking to if you're part of our community. And today we will demonstrate you how you want to adjust and feel in your downward dog, as well as how you can maybe use props in order to make it easier for you. Okay? So in your own time, you can get into your downward dog. Also get 2 blocks, because if you're suffering from wrist issues, it is recommended to use your blocks as support for your hands rather than placing the palm of the hands down. So just have my blocks close by. Good, beautiful. So first thing we're seeing is her index are facing forward. This is something really nice. You can press a little bit more through the tip of the fingers. Yes, even more to the turn white. Yes, now you're feeling the engagement happening through the arms. You can open shoulders away from your ears. Breathing in. And now try to close the space between the lower belly and the upper thighs. Yes, without flaring the ribcage. So we keep the strength beautiful in the ribcage so she doesn't flare out. And this is something very common. If you're very flexible, we see a lot of this. It's not safe for your back. Engage in order to come back in line. Good. Bending both knees to start off with. See if you can press your hips back. Yes, tilt the pelvis up a little bit more. And slowly start to extend the legs. Good. What I can do to help her here, and you can maybe ask someone as well that is around you, is to grab your hands, go inside of your thighs and pull in order to internally rotate her thighs and open a little bit more the space that is happening in the lower back so she can tilt even more the pelvis. Good. You can relax your head just a little bit more. Beautiful. Stand here for one last breath. Pressing a little bit more through the big toes and releasing the weight of the heels down. Good. Very nice. She's doing beautiful. And you know, contrary to what we think, this is a hard pose. Down dog is very, very hard in terms of the alignments that we want to have in. And it also requests a lot, demands a lot out of us in terms of energetics, as well as opening. Is a lot of opening that we need to have in the body in order to be able to feel comfortable in this pose. So take your time. Another thing that you can use in this pose is, once again, if you're suffering from wrist, you can use your blocks. So I'm just going to give you the blocks. You can just show them exactly how you can use them. Exactly, because you're applying less weight onto the wrist. It's easier, no? Is it correct? You're feeling less weight onto the wrist, huh? Good, beautiful. And once again, be careful not flaring the ribcage. Yeah, engagement and shoulders away. Beautiful. Take your moment. And in your own time, you can come out, knees down. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Enjoy your discovery and to feel how you feel into this pose. Another tip that I would recommend if you're working on your own is to maybe film yourself in this pose so you kind of understand what your alignment look like. And then you can allow your awareness to drop into the body parts that you need to bring back into alignment to feel how it feels. Yeah, this is a really useful tool to use, is filming yourself. So give it a go and let us know how you go. We'd love to have your feedbacks. My name is Ilo from Play Pose B, and I'm happy to have been here with you. And I'm thankful to Ariana as well.
Thank you.